How to make a birdhouse with an old boot. Do you have a pair of old cowboy boots hiding in your closet collecting dust? Why not create something useful and sentimental with them? These two cute birdhouses are made from an authentic cowboy boot for an added touch of Western flair. Hang it in your favorite tree outdoors and birds will surely build their nests and return every year. Or, you can display the birdhouse in your favorite room of your house for a touch of Wild West whimsy. Use the other boot to make a birdhouse to give as an antique gift item that gets rave reviews every time. These darling bird environments make the perfect gift for friends and loved ones who birdwatch, collect birdhouses or collect cowboy novelty items. Things you will need: 1 old boot, 2 4x4-inch squares of reclaimed wood, hot glue gun, hot glue, drill with 1-inch drill bit attached, 1 6-inch piece of rope, heavy-duty staple gun with staples, dried or silk flowers optional, clear acrylic spray sealant. Wash the boot with mild soap and water to remove any debris and dry thoroughly. Mark the front of boot 4 inches up from foot of boot. Drill a hole where the mark is. This is where your feathered friends will enter their new home. You can also hot glue a small amount of rope around the hole for a decorative touch. Hot glue the short ends of the wood to make a V. Invert the V to form the roof of the birdhouse and hot glue onto the top of the boot. Staple approximately 6 inches of rope onto back of the wooden roof to form the birdhouse hanger. Spray acrylic sealer onto the boot to seal and weatherproof the boot birdhouse. Hot glue flowers and other embellishments onto the roof of the birdhouse, if desired. Hang the new whimsical birdhouse in a tree and wait for your new bird friends to find their new house.